Right now, you are now tuned in. Pen crispy. I'm still going there.
My hair is a mess. Like, it's so puffy. Ooh. Child. Alright, so right now I'm just going to tie this section back because the top section is just going to be a bun. And that's super simple and easy. Whew. Alright, so I'm just going to use my CrySTYLE gel to slick up the sides. Oh, I hope y'all see my bun. You know what? And then I'm gonna just shape it. Pull it out some. Make it bigger. Alright, so the bun is complete. Now we're just gonna get started on the ponytail. I'm gonna put this around my ponytail. So of course, just take the braiding hair and put it around your ponytail. Make sure your ponytail is covered. And we're going to twist it so, but I'm going to twist it to make it more manageable. just gonna twist it. Keep twisting all the and just secure the end with a rubber band. Oh, my real hair is coming through. It's okay. Alright, so I hope you guys can see this hairstyle. Stand up. Alright, so you guys, that is all for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.